Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your license and signing in with the Microsoft account tied to Office, because updates respect that account. Once done, close all Office apps and save work. This prevents file corruption. Now open Word or Excel, go to File, then Account. You'll see Update Options. Click Update Options and choose Update Now to start. This triggers the Office Update service, which downloads and stages patches. Make sure your internet connection is stable before proceeding. You monitor download and install progress in the Office Update dialog. Keep that window visible so you can react if prompts appear. If user account control asks, allow elevated permissions. Updates need installer rights to replace files. While installing, pause large downloads or CPU-heavy apps to reduce conflicts and speed the process. Once the installer finishes, Office may apply updates in the background. Make sure Windows Update won't restart your PC during this window. Because a restart, you finish by restarting the PC to ensure updated files register properly. Many Office components only complete installation at reboot. After restarting, open any Office app and check file account about to confirm the version number. If Office still shows an older build or errors occur, run Programs and Features, choose Microsoft Office, and select Change Quick Repair, then Online Repair if needed. One key tip: run online repair only when you have a stable internet connection, because it re-downloads the suite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.